We're up here meeting at Andre's place getting ready for the first trail 2024. We're heading up about an hour northwest of Montreal to a trail that we explored last summer. None of us have any idea what to expect today. So let's not waste any more time and jump straight into the action. Remember, if you enjoy this video, please press like, and if you're not already subscribed, please do so. It's always greatly appreciated. Well, the forecast called for rain in the city, and you can see it didn't disappoint. But where we're going, conditions can change drastically within just a few kilometers. We just got off the main road and we're not too far from the beginning of the trail, so we took this opportunity to stop and air down. We're not really expecting anything too tough today, so I'm only going to go down to about 15 psi. I can always take out more air if I need to a little later on. What did I tell you about things changing quickly up here? We're not even a few kilometers away from the main road. We're not even at the beginning of the trail yet, and we're already seeing signs of snow. The deeper we got into the woods, the more it started looking more like winter than spring. The day started off with rain, then came the snow, and now the sun is making a surprise appearance. This is spring in our neck in the woods. You never know what to expect, and you gotta be ready for everything.
Igor!
We explored part of this trail for the first time last fall. You can check out the video on my page. We were forced to turn around because it was getting a little late. I know there's so much more yet to discover up in this area. Today, the conditions are obviously totally different, so we're going to see what lies ahead. Now the fun is really going to begin.
Perfect. Ok, amâine mai pe dreapta. Doar ei tot așa, dar nu dă drumul la gaz, adică menții codul. Perfect.
We're just a few meters into the trail and can already tell this is going to be a lot of fun. Rocks, water, mud, snow. What else could you ask for?
Tare gazul, Marin călească acolo deasupra, nu ia și interesant.
This is the first little challenge of the day. Like I said, let the fun begin. I can't wait to see what the rest of the trail holds in store for us.
Nu mișca volanul, poți înapoi. Iar înainte. Iar înapoi. Отлично, давай ему куда.
Up next is Andre in the less than stock black sheep. Instead of going through this little obstacle, he decides to go around it. Portal axles and 37s, this wasn't any problem at all.
Yeah, wait for me.
Mama, nu ieși aici.
Dar Rover nu are ce face aici. Nici nimic. Așa, nu mișca mai mult. Rotă și șor, gazul foarte, foarte gen.
Dar nu e nicio problemă aici.
Ia că mai numai și nu ai făcut o problemă. Aici s-au zburat în pădure. Давай, ты.
We just came up to the next little obstacle. I know it doesn't look like much on camera, but there's a few good sized rocks on this hill, and it's a little slippery with the snow still on the ground.
Де? На There you go.
Up next is Andre. Remember, he doesn't have any lockers, he doesn't have a CDL, he doesn't even have traction control. So this little hill poses a little bit more of a problem for him. After giving it a few tries, Andre realizes it's not worth the effort and just decides to take out the winch.
You're gonna change the sound, huh?
Now that we all successfully made it up that little hill, if memory serves me correct, we don't have too far to go until we reach the point where we turned around last fall. And look at this, the snow is back. Temperature and conditions are changing, not even hour by hour, more like minute by minute. This is what Canada's like in the spring. Well, we reached the point where we turned around last fall, and I think we're going to do the same thing today. But before we turn around and head out, we're going to have a little bit of fun. We're about to turn around. What a day it's been. Sun, rain, snow, everything. We've seen everything today. We've seen a lot of mud, we've seen some water. Now it's time to make our way out of the trail and get back home. The way out always seems so much faster than the way in, especially how we're not stopping every few minutes of video.
Dua. Another eagle in 5 days. Everything is good in the back?
Yeah, so far.
One by one we slowly make our way out of this trail. But before we make our way back to civilization, we're going to take a little stop and make some lunch. Hey, look what I found! It's the beach! Too bad it's not open yet. While we were eating our lunch, we had a visitor. This guy rolled up in an Argo. It's basically an 8-wheel amphibious vehicle that's really good for swampy areas, water, and all those kind of conditions. You never know who you're going to meet when you're up here in the woods.
Bye-bye.
Lunch is done, break time is over. It's time to head back to civilization. That's it for the first trail of 2024, and what a day it's been. We've experienced it all. Snow, rain, sun, mud, rocks, and water. From all of us here at 4x4 Adventure Canada, myself, James, Andre, Vlad, Igor, Marine, and Liviu, we'd like to thank you for watching the video. If you're not subscribed, please do so. It's greatly appreciated. Any comments, any questions below, I'll make sure to answer them all.